Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove followers from your Instagram account. So guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone, and as you can see that this is my Instagram homepage, and we're going to open our Instagram profile. So we can tap on the Instagram profile button right here, and we can simply tap on the followers option. Okay, and these are my followers, guys. If you want to remove followers from your Instagram account, you can simply tap on the remove option. And for example, I'm just going to remove this follower, so just click on remove button and then click on remove. Okay, and now the follower has been removed from our Instagram account. And alright guys, that's how we can remove Instagram followers from our Instagram account. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.